Today I will be going over why this Bitcoin price action pattern is incredibly bullish and why I'm long. So as we can see here, we have a base on the 2-hour and the daily. Down we have the ATR. It's a volatility indicator, so we can see volatility is sliding as price is constructive, which is what we want to see. If we zoom into 2-hour, we can see that there's this very clear high zone. And then these two other zones. We have this very clear early entry zone, and then this semi-clear mid zone before the early entry zone. There is one invalidation of this trade and 3 confirmations. The first confirmation was this mid zone, which we flipped and I went long. The one invalidation is losing this mid zone and coming down to this trend line in blue zone. If we actually lose this trend line in blue zone, I'll be bearish down to 38K and 40K around there. You know, I'll be going short. Anyways, the second confirmation is taking over this early entry zone. Once we take that over, I'm going to take my stop loss and place it break even, or maybe even 1R in profit. Because then once we flip the early entry zone, if we lose it, then the entire idea is invalidated of this entry being proper timing. So I will place my stop loss break even once we flip this early entry zone, and I will also add 50% to the trade. And I will do the exact same thing on the break of the break point. If we break over the break point, if price action comes above, I will, like so, I will, on this point here, as soon as we come above, I will take my stop loss on my early entry point entry, and I will put it break even or put it into profit to secure a risk-free trade. This is a very simple high probability base setup with ATR sliding into the upper top right of the base. Targets 1.618, 31R away from this first entry. Yeah.